Unleash your child's inner scientist and say hello to a science revolution. Presenting the Omniscience Series by IP Study, aligned with NEP 2020, NCFFS 2022 and NCFSE 2023 standards. This series is designed to ignite curiosity and nurture the scientists and innovators of tomorrow. Why Omniscience Series is a game changer. This series blends real-world applications with interactive learning, ensuring students gain a deep, lasting understanding of scientific concepts. Here's why Omniscience stands out. IP-GPT TalkBook. AudioBook for a dynamic, multi-sensory experience. Curiosity boosters such as fun facts and quizzes. Self-evaluation activities that reinforce understanding. Hands-on learning, turning theory into reality. Critical thinking, creative exercises that develop problem-solving and analytical skills. Life skills integration fosters social awareness and a sense of responsibility. Inspiring scientist profile. Motivational stories of pioneers inspiring future innovators. With AI-enabled test generators and digital resources, the Omniscience series provides a cutting-edge, complete science education that equips students for academic excellence and real-world success.